Welcome, planner friends. Thank you for joining me on my channel again for another video. Today I will be unboxing my new Planner Folio from Erin Condren. I picked this up during the Friends and Family sale a few weeks ago. The Planner Folio comes in two sizes, medium 9 by 11 inches and large 10.5 by 13 inches. That's the size I have. I have the large size. I could tell by the comments online that the large is very popular and it might be out of stock at this time, but you can always keep checking back to see when they restock. You can customize the folio just like you can customize any of the Erin Condren planner covers. I chose to put my initials on the front and customize the colors with butter, yellow stripes, and a peach heart with, this is either cream or white letters. The back of the folio is black with the Erin Condren logo. One of my favorite parts about the folio is that it has a built-in insert that has 3 different size pockets and 3 pen holders. It was able to fit 2 of my classic planners and it closed with no problem. My first impression is I'm in love with the style and the functionality of this folio. I'm going to have to try really hard to keep it clean, but other than that, I'm excited. If you currently use one of these planner folios, comment down below. Or how do you carry your planner and your planner supplies with you? However way that you found, go ahead and comment down below. And if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching me unbox my new Erin Condren Planner Folio. I hope that you come back to watch more videos with me, and always be blessed and plan with a purpose.